I don't like being told that all I can do is slow the progression of MS. I also don't like being told the only way to do that is to take expensive drugs that will only work half the time. Forget the word permanent and ignore the phrase no cure. Hey, it's Steve. If I had given up years ago, my MS would be far worse now. And for a long time it was. A big part of me developing MS was that I wasn't a very good sleeper. But I've changed everything, and so now I'm going to show you how I turned my horrible sleep into my strength. I maintain a strict bedtime and wake time. I average between 7 to 8 hours a night. It's natural to wake up during the night, whether I remember it or not. So I factor that in. I'm in bed for 9 hours each and every night, no matter what. I use a Fitbit, which serves as a fitness tracker, watch, and a sleep recorder all in one. I take 2 supplements before bed, Alpha-GPC and CDP Choline. They are major constituents to the synthesis of gray matter in the brain. Other supplements I take before sleep are melatonin, tryptophan, valerian root, and passion flower. All of these enhance different aspects of my sleep. They allow me to stay asleep longer, so Alpha-GPC and CDP Choline have more time to assist repair. But supplements aren't enough. Sure, they help, but I had to change my lifestyle to prioritize 4 things: UVB radiation, a 1 meal a day diet, weightlifting, and sleep. These 4 things control my immune system, stop my MS, and repair my brain. It's work, but it's so worth it. I felt this amazing journey, everything from stopping bad symptoms like pain and fatigue to gaining abilities back like walking. And even though I don't feel much repair happening anymore, it's only because my MS has stopped. Now that it's gone, my life has opened up. I've been in a fog for years, and now I'm just starting to see the light of day.